He experienced the first loss of his chess life
Yeah.
tonight, the day he was born.
What do you say about that? Say hi, David.
Hello.
That's a vlog of him.
Yeah. We will play chess. It's
Have
the
mercy on me.
it's
Yeah.
the game of the
Have mercy on me.
Yeah. We will show that he will have mercy on you.
Yes.
He's the player of the
I'm the master
Philippines.
chess. I'm the master chess.
Wow.
Master chess.
I master the chess.
Master chesser. Para iba na yan.
I master the chess in Finland. There's the pin and there's the land. Finland.
Pin.
I pin the land and that's called the Finland.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
you have
the-
to understand my English.
Understandable. Understanding.
Somehow, my English is very harder.
Yeah.
Like
Very difficult.
like epoxy.
Hardener. Si English is very hardener.
Because Bunel. Yes.
Yes, come outside.
Yes.
Checkmate. Joke lang.
Oh, we're not classmates. We're only chess.
Just mate.
Are you following him on Facebook?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
So, you will watch this
Yes.
when he upload this in social
Subscribe.
media. Yeah.
Follow
Yes.
and subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, touch move. You touch the move. You touch.
Someone when we touch.
We have the right love at the wrong
I'll
time.
do this back and forth. 8-10.
Para kanta na yun ah.
Kanta na yata yun.
Somewhere
Down the road.
Our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter to me.
Sige, Mike.
Yeah. Yes.
That's his mic.
I will teach David to lose chess. Yes.
Teach him to lose or to win.
No. He experienced the first loss of his chess life
Yeah.
tonight, the day he was born.
What do you say about that?
Her English is empty.
My subscription is finished.
Yeah. His English subscription is finished. And this is Clarice.
Say hi, Clarissa. Say hi.
Yeah.
Our friend.